I'm going to present the first practicum of computer organization and architecture. And here's the first question. Modify the given MATLAB program to support 32-bit unsigned integer addition and display the result along with the memory usage. So the first one is we should input the first one. A is to input the first integer value, and the second one is to input the second integer value. After that, these A and B values are been used with 32-bit unsigned 32-bit, and there has been given a condition if both A and B is greater than the uh, integer max, it will display overflow occurred in 32-bit arithmetic, or else no overflow. And we print, and then after that condition we got to print the printf statement 32-bit result, and so and so, and it will display the info in the sum of the bytes. Here the sum is equal to a plus b value, and memory type memory per value total bytes. So here's the sample of the first code. um, I have entered a 150 for the first values, the second value is 170, and the result came in 320, and no overflow. So and so. And the second question is about change the given program to perform subtraction of two unsigned integers using user related bit with 8 or 6 bit and detect underflow. So here it's in this some it follows the similar one, but here instead of addition, we are using subtraction, and also we have determined 8 16 bit, and the first two steps, entering the values, and as well as the here it will this one will be changing choice. Here we got to use the choice option, and type enter bit with 8 or 16, and after that we got to use if statement, in that if choice for 8 bit, and print the statement for result, and as well as use if either of these values are greater than each. So here we have used a is greater than a is not greater than b. It will display, underflow occurred, or else no underflow. Else if for the 16 bit, the same condition has been applied here, and we are ending so and so. And here's the code which I used. The first integer value which I used is 120, and the second is 130. The bit width which I used is 16, and the subtraction value determines as 0, because the it determines like the value has went output has went into negative, so it shows under occurred. The subtraction result is 0, so underflow occurred. Okay. And on to the third question here. Modify the code to multiply two unsigned integers using 8-bit or 16-bit arithmetic and check for overflow. The here in this part we have been used multiplication arithmetic. Mm. So the first these steps is similar, and we have used for if for 8 bit, and using the multiplication result is equal to a into b, and print the result. And we have used this if statement, if both the multiplied value result is greater than 255, overflow has been occurred, or else no overflow has been occurred. In the 16 bit we have applied the same thing, except we have in this two, instead of 255 we have used 65535. So here's the third sample output. The first value which I entered is 130, and second is 2 130, and the bit I used is 16 bit, and the multiplied value has been came into 15,600, and it shows no overflow has been occurred in the bit multiplication. And the fourth one is write a MATLAB program to subtract two unsigned integers and display the result using 8-bit or 16-bit arithmetic. So the first here we are using subtraction with the with say 8 or 16-bit arithmetic. The first these are the common steps, and we are going with the choice of 8-bit result. We have applied the first value of a subtracted by the result will be printed also as such, and we have used else if for 16-bit, and else if it's invalid. So I used the first value as 120 and the second value is 100. So I also entered the bit with which is 16, and the result came as around 20. And on to the fifth one, write the MATLAB program to divide two unsigned integers using 8-bit or 16-bit arithmetic and handle division by zero conditions. Okay. On this, we have used similar steps, which is a common one. And here, the thing which differs is here in this if statement, if b is equal to 0, display error division by 0 is not allowed, and if the denominator value should not be 0 in division, right? And after this, we are using this as a similar type. If choice for 8-bit and 16-bit, it will print and so and so, and else condition if invalid. So I have used this for values 120, 16-bit. If it divides, the result is 5. So there you go. These are the sums which I have done and printed out. So thank you.